Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Good morning to my morning hair. Just waking up, I was literally in the bathroom and then I hear the front door opening and I'm like, oh, my husband's home. I was like, it's only 8:30 a.m. Why is he home? He came home and brought me my favorite Starbies. Oh my god. And obsessed with the caramel brulee latte. It's so good. And then he also got me the Impossible sandwich. But good morning and welcome to the vlog. It's Friday and I completely have been slacking on my YouTube. But just know that these next couple of days are gonna be me showing up, okay? Because I've challenged myself. I've decided that I'm going to, well, not I've decided, because every time I say I've decided I'm gonna do something, I don't actually do it. I always like wing it. Want to challenge myself to vlog for the next year. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but I want to do it. Pretty much all year is gonna be vlogmas, as in like I'm gonna upload every night. I just want to see what happens when I take my YouTube serious. On top of that, it's gonna be really helpful for my nail business. So I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna take you along with me and see how it goes. I have a few things on the agenda that I have to do. I've had this hairstyle for like 3 days, but I'm not taking it out. I don't want to. Just clean up my baby hairs. I have to do my morning routine. I have to get ready. I have to go to the nail supply store to grab big red glitters for the set that I have to do today or tonight. I have to go to Ulta or Target. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do, but I have to get a $25 gift card for tomorrow's gift exchange. I'm gonna clean because it's not dirty. It's just, I mean, like a good sweep, dust, pick up, you know. I was not expecting him to bring me Starbucks today. This is like a cute little surprise. He never does this. Like, he doesn't do this very often. So when he does it, I'm like, oh my god, I get all giddy. Happy Friday, and let's get this freaking vlog started. Let's just start getting ready, yeah? Yep. Okay. I'm just gonna clean up my baby edges. Given that I have the front style already done, I'm just gonna do like a cute pony moment. Also, these scrunchies are so comfortable to wear and they keep your hair like tight on there. Some gel on a toothbrush, just move it around a little bit. And then we're just gonna... Nothing too crazy. Given that I don't have all the angles, I'm just gonna give you what I got. So we got a toothbrush, we got the toothpaste. Let's go. I'm ready. Am I basically gonna wear my pajamas today? Yeah. Do I give a shit? No. And I hope, yep, you can see it. You can see that our room is a mess. I'm a little ashamed of it, but it's okay. Like, we're gonna figure it out. Lit. Okay, look at this. Tumble. Dishes. Unmade bed. I'm gonna put some pants on and then we're gonna head out, because if I don't leave in like the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna take forever. I don't have any jeans because everything's dirty. I'm just gonna grab my keys and then we're freaking out of here, okay? For real though, this time. We are back in our car vlogs. What is up? I don't know why I feel more comfortable in my car, like talking to the camera. I feel like in my apartment, because I'm by myself, like it echoes so much and I feel weird, but I have to get comfortable with it, honestly. But cheers. We made it to the car fucking less than 10 minutes later, so let's go. Shall we head out, my dear? We shall. We got errands to run, we got people to see, we got things to do. Let's go. Oh, I almost hit this guy. But it's all good. We going. Why does he have poop bags if he doesn't have a dog? Literally parked in the most illegal spot, but it's all good. Oh my god, I'm gonna go fast. We made it. Let's get inside.
All right. Stop. Check. Second stop. Here we come. Dude, if you guys can see my parking right now, it's a joke. It's a horrible joke. I have to bust the Yui. Here we go. Here we go. Let's bust this Yui real quick. Alrighty, here we go. All the errands are done. I'm about to try to get this light real quick. Oh no, it's red. Okay, so we just went to Target. I got the gift card. I just ended up getting a Visa gift card and a moisturizer because my face has been really dry. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna clean a good little mini quick Mickey Mouse deep clean and pretty much set up my table, clean up my tools. I have to do all the things today. I'm not gonna lie, while I was walking around Target, I had to go to the bathroom so bad, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna go here, I'm gonna go at home. Because you know, when you, after you drink your cafecito, te pega a little bit, you get hit with a little surprise. So like, I'm literally trying to like rush home because I have to hit myself, like I have to poop.
Holiday cheer right at your fingertips. Just open the free iHeart. I use the heat. My dad's trying.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
We're done.
Going up and when you run named Johnny Hopkins.
Good morning, it's Saturday. Anyways, it's Saturday. I completely forgot to end the vlog yesterday because we had people over. Pretty much I'm in the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because again, I'm gonna attempt to post every day. But I hope that you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!